reach for the stars, but they're out of my grasp. The echoes of you fade away so fast. The wind whispers secrets I don't understand. I'm lost in a desert with no trace of land. Your shadow's a ghost that dances through my dreams. I chase it in circles, or so it seems. The night feels colder with you out of sight. The moon keeps on mocking my lonely fight. You are so far from me, I can't hear your voice. Caught in the silence with no other choice. Every heartbeat screams for the love I once knew. You are so far from me, but I'm still close to you. The road keeps on winding, but leads me nowhere.